Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys a little hack how you can start earning $5 for every single person that downloads an app. And as easy as that sounds, it's kind of hard to believe, but don't worry, I'm going to show you step by step how you can get 10 people to download this app, earn $5 every single time they do it, as well as start earning $25 bonus for every 10 people you get to download this app. Now, normally on my channel, I show you guys how you can create a digital marketing business. But if you're in a pinch for some cash, this is a great way to start earning some money on the side. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna jump into my phone. I'm gonna show you how to download this app and how you're gonna get started today. So if you're on your iPhone or Android, I'm on my iPhone, you're gonna wanna go to your actual app store. Once you go to your app store, we're going to type in something called Steady, okay? If we go down, you're gonna see this little purple icon. And Steady is a really cool app because not only can you earn $5 every single time someone downloads it, you can even find other jobs, some bonuses that you can make up to even $55, $85 by just simply signing up yourself. So once you get that downloaded, which I already have downloaded myself, you're gonna see this whole display. And what this app is designed for when other people do download it or when you're downloading it, it shows you how you can find jobs in your area. So depending on where you live, you're gonna type in your zip code. They're gonna show you how you can find work. You know, they got anytime gigs, full-time, work from home, some part-time gigs. Great way to earn some side money. They're gonna give you some ideas that you can do. They even have some helpful new features. They even have a little site where you can make up to $275 now. And what that is, they're going to show you a bunch of signing bonuses. This is what I was telling you. Some bank accounts, if you sign up with Aspiration, if I say that right, Lily, Chime, you'll earn $55, $50 bonus. You can go down here. They'll show you if you want to join DoorDash, Care.com, you get like a signing bonus just by simply signing up with them. Acorn Stash, which is an investing company, in Public and Robinhood, and some other things here. But what we're talking about in this video is how you can earn $5 for every single person that downloads this. So this actual app gives you an ability to invite a friend. Okay, you can invite a friend. You can get $5. Let's say you're at your job or you're going to your work. You can just invite a bunch of friends, and they're going to allow you to spread the word. And when you spread the word, they're going to pay you. So you can see here you're going to earn $5 for each friend that you refer, and all they have to do is complete their profile. It's very simple. They're just going to put their name, and they're going to put everything else, and then they're going to connect a bank account. Now that seems crazy, but the site is reliable. But when you connect your bank account, it's going to allow you to actually earn money, whether it's through DoorDash or through some of these other things. So the best way to promote this is tell your friends, hey, you can earn some really quick cash. So download it, complete your profile. Then you can do the same thing. Tell them, hey, you can go tell your friends. You can earn, after you do 10 people, you're going to get $50. And the cool thing with this, they'll even give you a $25 bonus for every 10 people. So if you're able to do 20 people, you're going to be able to earn $100 plus that $50 bonus, which is going to be pretty nice. That's $150 you didn't know. Maybe you can invest it in something else. Because on this channel, I do talk about how we can make more money. This is not a full-time gig. It's a get rich kind of quick, but it's an app. Just a way to get some cash flowing, get some money going. It's super easy. And this is one of the things what I talk about with affiliate marketing and how affiliate marketing works. You can see on the bottom, there is a link. That link is attached to me, only to me. You're going to get one of your, on your own. There's going to be a link, and all you have to do is copy it. You can even text all your friends. Let's say you have a whole contact list of like 100 people through work and everything else. You can text them, say, hey, this app, you can learn to earn some extra cash, some side hustle. Hey, Maria, John, you trying to earn some extra $50 like this? All you have to do is share this app. And this is a pretty cool app because it does show you different ways how you can earn money. You can do anytime gigs. If you go down here, they're going to show you can do fetch rewards, VIP, trains perfect. It'll give you some ideas of how you can just earn some on the side. You can even go to employers. If you're looking for a full-time job, Chick-fil-A, Evan Bright, Exxon Mobil, American Express, General Electric. So really big companies post on this app, which tells you that, it's legit. They're not going to mess with you. And they'll even give you some cool ideas of how you can make a side hustle. They got Wise, TransPerfect, and you can go to something called Boosters. And Boosters is pretty much where you can get that quick cash, even more than the $5 referring people. Where if you join Lily, you'll get $50. You want to read the terms and conditions below. You can go to Acorns, get up to $90, Albert $150. So you get the idea. But this video is pretty much how you can get $5 for people downloading this app. You just got to get them to complete their profile, Cha-ching. And then how they're going to pay you is they're going to send you a $5 digital card, kind of like a Visa, American Express kind of deal, you know, like a gift card. You can spend it on anything, but they're going to send you $5 every time. And every 10, you're going to earn 25 bucks. And you can't do, you know, they can't fill in with a PayPal account. They're saying you got to actually use your bank account. And then you just share this link. You just completely share this link. You have them download this app and you start making money. Now, I normally, you know, when you're trying to get these little quick little apps, you're going to make some money here and there. But if you are looking to, you know, take this money and maybe invest in something else, it's a great idea. And where you start building a digital marketing business, this is a good, you know, simple idea of affiliate marketing. We're just taking your link, sending it to people. That company pays you for marketing, for bringing them into the app. But if you're looking to actually do digital marketing, I'll have some videos down below where we're going to create a site. Everything else going from here, we're going to create a website, how you can do that, how you can start getting leads, and show you what different products we can find for free online, what products you can start selling online, and get another link where you can earn a lot more commissions than just $5. But when you're earning $5, someone says, hey, it's a free app. Not bad, right? You know, I checked it out. It's a pretty good, easy, free way to do it. But I would like to find products that are a lot higher because, you know, we need to pay houses. We need to pay mortgages. I don't know if you got kids. I got kids. We need to start making thousands of dollars, but there's ways you can do your online business. So guys, comment down below if you tried this app Steady. Let me know how it goes. Tell me some of your experiences. And until the next one, guys, I hope you guys have a fantastic day. Peace.